Do you feel like you're stuck in a rut, unable to reach your full potential in business and create the wealth you've always dreamed of? It's time to unlock your potential and discover the traits that will lead to success and wealth creation. The first key trait is determination. You must have the drive and perseverance to push through challenges and setbacks, no matter how tough they may seem. Another important trait is networking. Building strong connections and relationships can open doors to opportunities you never knew existed. A strong work ethic is also crucial. Success and wealth don't come easy. You must be willing to put in the time and effort to achieve your goals. Creativity is another key trait. Thinking outside the box and coming up with innovative solutions can set you apart from the competition. Finally, self-awareness is essential. Knowing your strengths and weaknesses can help you focus on areas for growth and improvement. By cultivating these traits and unlocking your potential, you can pave the way for business success and wealth creation. So don't wait any longer. Start unlocking your potential today.